furoshiki, furoshiki.
Last time I shared how to use furoshiki fabric to make a tote bag. That one would need a strap or a pair of bamboo hoops. And also that one was smaller. So this time I'll share how to make this one, which doesn't need any other things or handles apart from the fabric itself. And also this one is larger. What I especially like about this method is that the strap is a braiding pattern. If you have watched some of my other videos, you may be aware that I love braiding and crisscrossing patterns. So without much ado, let's get started. I bought this piece from Japan. It's a leftover piece sold at a special price. It's about $9 US. And it is 104 cm by 104 cm. To start with, you grab one corner and the other two corners adjacent to it. They will form the 3 strands of the braid. Place them properly. Then I'll start braiding. Keep lining up the 3 corners, the 3 ends. Until almost to the end, tie a knot, grab the 4th corner and tie a square knot with the longest end, or alternatively tie it with the 3 ends of the braid, the 3 tails of the braid. Tie a square knot. And there you have it. If you use a proper piece of fabric, you don't have my problem, which has white edges, and you will do it more easily. Let me show you one more time with a smaller piece. Grab one corner and the other 2 adjacent corners. Adjust them properly before braiding. Now I'll start braiding. until almost the end. Tie a simple knot and grab the remaining corner and tie a square knot. And there you go. I hope you like my sharing today. Thanks for watching. Bye.